Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify removal of an authorized user effect, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify the removal of an authorized user effect, start by gathering the necessary information. Obtain copies of your credit reports from all three major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can request these reports for free once a year at annualcreditreport.com. Once you have your reports, locate the section that details your credit accounts. Find the account associated with the authorized user you want to verify. Check whether your name is still listed as an authorized user on that account. If your name has been removed, the account should no longer appear in that section. If your name is still listed, continue to work on the removal process. Contact the credit card issuer to confirm the removal of your authorized user status. Request a confirmation in writing for your records. After waiting a month, check your credit report again to see if the account has been updated. If changes are not reflected, escalate your request with the credit card issuer. You may need to provide documentation proving your request for removal. Simultaneously, consider reaching out to the credit bureaus for assistance. Submit a dispute if the authorized user status has not been removed after your verification. Keep records of all communications regarding your verification request. After successfully verifying removal, monitor your credit reports regularly for any new updates. Patience is key, as it may take time for all changes to reflect accurately on your reports. By following these steps, you can ensure your credit history is accurate and reflective of your current standing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.